you tired of feeling helpless when your laptop breaks down? Don't worry, we got a solution for you. Join our offline and online laptop chip level training courses to get a learning experience from the best in business. Why join our course? You'll get a valuable experience in the field, claim a certificate of your own, and have exciting job opportunities coming your way once you complete the course. Are you ready to turn your passion for technology into your profession? So enroll now at Pavithra Laptop Care's Laptop Chip Level Training Courses.